everyone. My name is P. Rajesh Ramarao. I am BSc BA. I am pursuing my MSc from Andhra University. Today, the topic which we are going to discuss today is one of the important branch of mathematics. What is the name of the topic? The name of the topic is trigonometry. In this trigonometry, what are we going to discuss today? Here we got three identities. The first identity, that is your sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. We will discuss about how we are going to prove this. That is the proof of first trigonometric identity. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Before going into it, first we will take a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, we have given the name ABC. Where the right angle is formed? Right angle is formed at angle B. Now students, if we are taking the angle at A, here we will represent the angle as theta. Suppose you are taking the angle at A, that is theta, the side which is opposite to it, I repeat, the side which is opposite to it, BC, will become the perpendicular, or you can say opposite side. And the side which is side to it, that is your adjacent side, or we can call it as a base. Base or adjacent side. And the side which is exactly opposite to 90 degree is your hypotenuse. Now, how we are going to prove this? What is this? Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. At first, students, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, what we got? The hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. AC is the hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This we are marking as equation number 1. Now in trigonometry, we got 6 trigonometric ratios. So how do what they are? That is your sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant and cot. Now here I have a mantra, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Hare Hare Bol. I repeat, Pandit Badri Prasad Hare Hare Bol. Now what is P here according to us? Perpendicular, and H stands for your hypotenuse, B stands for your base. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is your sin theta, base by hypotenuse is your cos theta, perpendicular by base is your tan theta, and reciprocal, hypotenuse by base is cosecant theta, hypotenuse by perpendicular, cosecant theta, hypotenuse by base is your secant theta, base by perpendicular is your cot theta. By a small mantra, we can remember easily all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now here, the theta is formed at angle A. Now, sin theta, what is sin theta? That is sin A. Sin A, theta, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So, BC by AC. Next we got cos A. What is cos A? Base by hypotenuse. Base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. Clear with these two values? Now the equation number 1. What is your equation number 1? Equation number 1 is your AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Entire equation I am dividing by AC square. Dividing both sides by AC square, students. Now first one on the left hand side, AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equal to AC square by AC square. AC square gets cancelled. AB square by AC square. So AB by AC whole square. BC by AC whole square. Square AC gets cancelled. What is left here? 1. Now here AB by AC. What is AB by AC? Cos A. By this mantra we got it from this triangle. AB by AC is cos A. So cos A whole square. Plus BC by AC you got. BC by AC is your sin A whole square is equal to 1. So therefore sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is the way, dear students, we prove the first trigonometric ratio, that is your sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Thank you very much, students.